uyasithanda sami awusangikhumbuli kanti uzobuya nini na awusangikhumbuli uyasithanda sami awusangikhumbuli kanti uzobuya nini na awusangikhumbuli
Okay baby ngiflophile sure izinto ongasandanga ngizenzile usungaze ungigrethe off kabuhlungu nje pho no siphile emhlabeni izinto ziyenzeka siyakwenza ukuthi but namaphutha azovela izitha sichazeke yeah phutha ngiyalivuma lokushiya ifone engena code ibudedeng well nelokone ithombe zikaphela but now nezika Drake so I guess sonke say deserve a second chance well in my case a 23rd chance yeah angiphika nginalutho vele ngiyulophola usibu uhamba ngephola but girl to drop me like this kanti usushone ephunembeza nalolu uthando buthi livutha ukudlula ilanga equate yeah honey I miss you and to prove it your pics still hang on my wall relationship status Facebook I got change go check my wall kaze ngithanda umuntu so but angizama ukuqala iwar all I know ukuthi you belong here with me so buya manje
uyasithanda sami awusangikhumbuli kanti uzobuya nini na awusangikhumbuli uyasithanda sami awusangikhumbuli kanti uzobuya nini na awusangikhumbuli
Days to a lifetime. See, I will find you whatever time is required to guess I kinda lose space when I love and that love is fuel and push her to own living. My own living is so vivid, God-giving my whole spirit, your mind. I'm searching for God's blessing, and God's blessing is your presence. Let's work cause nyakdinga so tired, though is your essence. I go searching for the feeling I have known way back when the time and space met was separated from the one thing into two parts that together form the one thing. We just gotta sing.
Uyasithanda sami awusangikhumbuli kanti uzobuya nini na awusangikhumbuli uyasithanda sami awusangikhumbuli kanti uzobuya nini na awusangikhumbuli
Zothina nishiya ndikhaya uhambe kahle sithanda sami uyazi uphila netyala ezinyembezi ebusweni bami uyazi siphelele emoyeni ngoba inhliziyo ikrazukile ngokuyiwelele enzondweni besibambisana nawe besihambisana nawe benifuna abantwana and I pray the one afane nawe kungcola yenzekanga bezonikhumbuza ngawo unisindisile ekuqaleni besendicinga uliqhawe tata nomama besilwa ningawathemba amadoda wena wafika wayitshintsha lento ingapha koqona ndayazi ndakumosha bendicinga uzongixolela uThixo bendiphe uthando bengayazi uyaniboleka Champ ingoma zakho ndezimamela impumelelo ndakunqonela intsikelelo zakulandela And that was just a message from my ex and I delete all text cause I'm focused on my next I'm gone